The world doesn't change because we talk about change. It changes because someone becomes it. To be a coach is to be that change, to be the calm in the storm, the mirror of truth, the invitation to possibility. Coaching isn't just about asking questions. It's about seeing the potential of a whole human and holding space for who they can become. When you choose to become a coach, you choose intentionality, purpose, and the commitment to serve others, starting with yourself. Be the change you want to see. Become a professionally trained coach. At Prime Coaching Academy, we go a step further.